Hey guys, today we're looking at Base44 versus Figma. Let's dive in. Starting with Figma, it's a powerhouse for UI UX design. Full control over layout, visuals, prototyping, and collaboration. If you care about pixel perfect interfaces, interaction design, custom branding, and design hands off to developers, Figma remains the gold standard. There's nothing quite like the control and creative precision it offers. Now, Base44 represents the new wave of AI powered builders. What makes it interesting is that it can auto-generate UI components, hook up backend logic, and integrate AI or data flows, all in one platform. For simple apps or MVPs, this means keeping a separate design than dev cycle. You get layout, logic, and functionality together. It's faster and for many use cases, good enough. So can Base44 replace Sigma? If your project is a simple tool, internal app, or rapid prototype, yes, you might not need a dedicated design phase. But if you need high fidelity design, branding nuance, complex interactions, or a polished user experience, Sigma is still hard to beat. Base44 pushes what's possible when AI plus no code meets design and offers speed. Figma remains the benchmark when design quality, not speed, is the priority. If this helped you think through design versus AI build trade-offs, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 tool breakdowns.